my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it pleads the truth. A part of every.
Okay, YouTube family and friends. So I had told y'all I was not going to share nothing with y'all. Like, I'm doing everything off the camera, okay? But I said, you know what? Let me come on and just share, just in case I ever decide to, excuse me, if I ever decide to put the video out, you know, share a little bit. It'll be a little bit of content, but not a lot. Because y'all know I done painted my cabinet, so y'all see, you know. If you look behind me, well, let me turn so y'all be looking, seeing medicine and all of that. But if you look behind me, this is the cabinet with my dishes. But listen, what I'm trying to show y'all is that's all primed. I left this one black, and everything else is primed. Okay, even down. Let me just turn the camera this way so y'all can see. It's crazy, but it's even all down here. Like I say, even down here, if y'all can see. It's all primed. And I'm going to take y'all. Let me show y'all this real quick. Because, baby, it's almost 2 in the morning. I didn't even know. I'm not even really tired. I was like, I'm going to take a break so I can eat and just watch TV, let this dry. I looked at the clock. I'm like, you know what? I do want to put another coat of prime before I go to sleep. So tomorrow, all I have to do when I get up is start painting. But let me show y'all. So, yeah. Cabinet doors here. Cabinet doors here. A couple of them are still upstairs because I couldn't get the screws like they were stripped. So, I'm like, let me leave them alone. So, I got to put another coat on these, as you can see. Okay, so as I was saying, got to put another coat of paint on these cabinets here. And I had put another coat on this cabinet. Like, even 2 of the cabinets, I couldn't even get the handle off. And I'm like, I just put the doggone handles back on. So why I can't get off? And y'all know I don't take the ones off the one over the refrigerator. So I just paint around that. But I'm just like, I ain't gonna even worry about it. I'm just gonna do what I do. Okay? So, but yeah, I'm gonna put another coat of primer on. And I'm gonna try to do that before I go to bed. So I'm gonna take a break real quick. It's late, but I gotta put something in my stomach. And then I'm gonna watch my soap opera, so that'll be like an hour of time, like 45 minutes, 50 minutes. And then I can come back up. Come back in here and put another coat. But I'm gonna show y'all, I did a test drive before I even took and did anything. I took one cabinet off, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like so far. So this is with 2 coats of primer and 1 coat of paints. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. And I'm going to tell y'all, I told y'all, I'm not using no cheap paint. I didn't go buy no paint or nothing. I'm telling y'all now. I didn't buy no primer because I had some left in that one. And I found this one outside, and it was also another small one outside. So I didn't have to buy no primer or nothing. And I didn't buy no paint. I had a little bit of bare paint, the marquee that I use. It was bright white. And then I had this one right here, the ready to use color place from Walmart that I had for years. I always keep my paint. And I always buy paint like this because I like to keep my baseboards painted. You know, had a clean look at least a couple of times a year. Look how rusty the top is. But I stirred that paint on. I poured that little bit of paint from the bare into this one. I stirred all of that right on up and saved me some money, okay? But it's looking good. So I'm just going to put another coat on here. As you see right here. It's and I'm gonna sand this right here on the end where it kind of bubbled up. I knew I did that when I did that black paint. But I do want to sand that a little bit. But so far it's looking good and it's looking smooth. So I figure, okay, I'm going to have to put 2 coats of paint. And yeah, so I'm doing the doors. I'm going to prime the doors when I finish eating. And then, let me turn this camera around. Okay, so I'm going to prime the doors when I get finished eating. And then I'll come back up and prime the rest of it. And then I'm going to hop in the shower and I'm going to bed, okay? But I do want to share with y'all my vase. I had finished this vase up when and I was just letting it dry while I was painting, and absolutely love the turnout. Absolutely love it. Hold on one second. Okay, family. It's still I just wanted to hop on and just show y'all don't pay attention to all the stuff under my cabinets and all of that, y'all. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all that I might put one more coat. I might. Y'all know I always save that part for last, so I still got to get up there and finish that. But I might put one more coat before I before the final, so I can go ahead and let it finish drying, and then I can put my doors back up. But I'm thinking that if I do put another coat on the cabinets, what I'm going to do is let's see, all of these little crinkles and wrinkles over here, I ain't worried about it because I always keep something over this way, but that look a mess. I don't like it. Oh, excuse me. But anyways, so right here, like, I got prime right here on the wall because I had it was a little bit of black right there, and so I didn't never touch up. I told y'all I never touched the wall up from that black, and so yeah, I'm gonna get my paint out and mix it up. And before I put the cabinets on, I think I'm gonna go ahead and touch the wall up. I was meaning to stop at the dollar store to get me a little small pack of water paint brushes, because it's so much easier when I do it with those, when I do the touch up like that. But yeah, so far it's straight. I can't say it's looking good yet till I get the cabinets up to know if I need to touch up anything else or whatever. But I tell you, I ended up leaving the inside black, and I was going to leave the top part where the can light is at. I was going to leave that black anyways. But yeah, and then I ended up painting like this part of the cabinet. And so I was like, yeah, I'm going to leave that black and see how it look first. But I think I like it. And then, I left that cabinet right there black. So, but yeah, under here, it's not too bad under here. I just got the basket full of cups. I got a coffee maker, a Keurig under there, my toaster, my can opener, and then I got some cleaning stuff and garbage bags. But I just threw those throwaway cups in there like that the other day. So it's not that bad under here. It's the rest of the stuff, okay? I went in the dollar store yesterday looking for some baskets, but I didn't like the baskets that they had in there. So, yeah, I don't know. They just wasn't what I was looking for, or the size or anything. It was all small. So I'm going to go down here. The trash open and everything, y'all. I'm just giving it to y'all just straight up raw today. Okay, I'm going downstairs. Y'all know I got the chairs right here open. Look, I got my storage open. That's been open since earlier. Okay, I'm coming in here so I can take a look. Yeah, I'm going to put another coat on. And the doors, I don't know, I may put another coat or, two. I'm getting low on paint, so it don't matter if I use it all on these cabinets. That don't matter, because that's what it's for this project. So I done had that paint for a while. And like I said, I mixed the two together. But yeah, so I think I'm going to put another coat on these. I'm going to put another coat on these cabinet doors. And if I have to put any more upstairs, then I will. But yeah, so it is what it is at this point. Once I get it done, that's what it is. I'm so mad because, like, I don't know, I couldn't take this handle off. And I got like two more where I didn't take the cabinet doors down. One on the bottom under the sink, and then one up by the stove. I don't know, it's like the screw was stripped or something. So I couldn't take the handle off, and I could not take the cabinet door down. That was crazy to me. And I'm like, for one, the handles, I just had all of them off and sprayed them. you know, so I just didn't get that at all. But yeah, like this one, and it's like I got paint on them. I don't like handles to be looking like that. So I'm gonna try my best to get it off, or either I'll have to wait and till somebody get here to take it off for me. And but yeah. Anyways, yeah, that gotta come off because I'm gonna have to clean it off, and then I know I'm gonna have to spray it again. So I got like 3 of them. I'm gonna have to do like that. Like I said, the one over the sink. I mean, over the refrigerator. I didn't take those doors down. I didn't take the handles off. So you know, if you get a little paint on there, it is what it is. Over there, you won't be able to see it. But for the rest of them, I just don't want no paint to be all on the cabinets and stuff like that. You know, on the handles. But all right, y'all. Yeah, I just wanted to just share that with y'all. Look, y'all, I ain't got that much longer to have my little Easter stuff on my tree. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. So I don't know. We'll see if we'll see what's going to happen when Easter comes. Because I do want the kids to take some pictures by the tree. So, yeah, we get it all figured out and everything. All right, y'all. Hello, YouTube family and friends. Welcome back, y'all. Happy Wednesday. It's about 2 a.m. So, it's Wednesday now. It's officially Wednesday, March 18th. My grandbaby's birthday. One is turning 2 and one is turning 10. So, yeah. I just wanted to hop on, y'all, before I just got through cleaning my kitchen up and I haven't. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and just, I told y'all that I was going to do my kitchen over. And so that's what I was coming on to show y'all. Now, I left my paint out. Y'all know I leave my paint out just in case because I know I always find the stuff that I need to fix, like to go patch up, right? So, so I left the paint out for that. I made a couple of changes. Not really. Maybe one change in the decor. I'll share that with y'all. Because I ended up, my intention was to share with y'all my kitchen before I put the decor back up. But I had a big contractor bag on top of the stove across the counter on the one side. All the paints and stuff was over there. I had paint pans over there, all this stuff. So I was like, before I knew it, I was cleaning up and got the one side cleaned up and sprayed it down and cleaned it and cleaned the mirrors and all of that. And I just started putting decor. I hadn't even had the cabinet, all the doors back on yet. And I just finished putting the doors on the one side. So with that being said, y'all, when I told y'all before, the design that I actually wanted when I first started with the white paint, and I was like, this paint costs too much, and I'm not this time. I'm not going to spend all of that money on the white paint. Remember that, $68 I, like I said, went outside and I went to see my paint out, you know, what kind of paint I had out there. And I probably already said this already because I pre-recorded the day before I actually started. When I was sitting here and I was painting my bases, and I came up with the idea to go ahead and change it up because the more and more I look at the black, like I said, I didn't love it. I liked it, but I didn't love it. And so back to what I was saying, I went outside, I found the paint, 2 different paints, Bear and Color Place. And I ended up mixing those 2 paints together. They both was white and bright white, pure white, whatever. And I just stirred them all up, both of them up really good. I had enough primer out there. Plus, y'all know both of those paints had primer. But yeah, so the design that I actually wanted in the beginning when I was going to do my white, I got the design. Like I say, I got my paint out just in case I got to touch up. But I'm so satisfied now. Y'all see the smile on my face. Like, I'm happy now. And like, when I just stood right here while I'm talking to y'all, now I really could see. And I'm so glad that I left the one part of the one cabinet. I'm going to turn the camera around so I can explain to y'all. Okay, so let's start right here. Refrigerator. So up there, I ended up taking my off-white base that got the gold trim. I took that one down. And I ended up putting my black Jinju jar up there. The top is up there. The lid is up there somewhere. But I ended up putting that up there because the off-white, it didn't look right up there. That was the very first thing that I put up there besides the tray. And I'm like, no, I can't do that. So, and I still got to touch that cabinet up right there. But, yeah. That was the last one I did, so I know I need another coat. But child, your girl is tired. Let me get to this right quick. I went downstairs because I told y'all I had my cabinet doors down there on the tape, the folding tables and stuff. And so I went down there a little while ago. I cleaned that room up. Once I got the other cabinets up, I cleaned that room up. I swept. I did all of that. So all of that's done down there, and this was done up here. So I said, let me go and pick the camera up. So, okay, so here is the kitchen, y'all. I'm so happy now. I'm so happy. So the cabinets are white now. It just made it much brighter in here. And I told y'all I wanted to paint my the big cabinet black. And so it was already black, so I left it black. So that was the thing. And then right here around the window, I ended up leaving that black also. And up there with a can light. So I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yes, love. And like I say, I know I got some flaws, but I ain't worried because I can always touch them up. So this is this side. And y'all just had hardest times with my my handles. Y'all know I just spray painted the handles and put them on, but some of them did not want to come out, like the screw stripped. I had a couple of cabinet doors that I couldn't take off because the screw was stripped. But yeah, anyways, I'm still satisfied. I'm just satisfied, y'all. I'm so satisfied. So next, I got to change. I'm gonna get me another stove, but this year sometime. But yeah, anyways, y'all, yes. So this is the reveal of my kitchen, gold, white, and black. Y'all see I didn't put my balance up there yet either. I want to get another one. But look, I don't know if I shared this with y'all either. This is, I ordered this, and I ordered